Axie vastness value kind of equivalent to $8.4800 a coin in an all things considered significant way. The present exchange cost range, 8.2900 or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The earlier day close, 8.4330, which by and large is genuinely huge. The change in every practical sense was plus 0.0470, plus 0.56%, which generally is very huge. Converse rate, USD to X. So today, S exchange cost range, 8.2900, 8.5100, or so they thought. Axie endlessness value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month, which generally is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $7.58, greatest 8.11, sort of least 7.05 in an unpretentious way. Axie boundlessness figure on Monday, April 24, cost $7.59, in every way that really matters, greatest 8.12, genuinely least 7.06, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $7.69, truly most extreme 8.23, in every way that really matters, least 7.15, or so they truly thought. Axie endlessness conjecture on Wednesday, April 26, cost $7.87, extremely greatest 8.42, genuinely least 7.32, which really is very huge. In multi-week Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $7.86, exceptionally greatest 8.41, genuinely least 7.31, showing how Axie endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost $7.69, genuinely most extreme 8.23, truly least 7.15. Axie boundlessness gauge on Friday, April 28, cost $8.09, genuinely greatest 8.66, least 7.52, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost $8.26, by and large greatest 8.84, lovely least 7.68 in an extremely significant way. Axie vastness figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost $8.18, kind of greatest 8.75, extremely least 7.61, or so they generally thought. Axie vastness cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost $8.20, most extreme 8.77, certainly least 7.63, which truly is very critical. In about 14 days Axie limitlessness conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost $8.38, exceptionally greatest 8.97, kind of least 7.79. Genuinely further appearance how the change especially was plus 0.0470, plus 0.56%, which really is very critical. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $8.35, greatest 8.93, kind of least 7.77, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie endlessness estimate on Monday, May 8, cost $8.08, truly greatest 8.65, lovely least 7.51, which is very huge. Axie vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $8.31, beautiful greatest 8.89, truly least 7.73. Axie limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost $8.13, most extreme 8.70, least 7.56, or so they sort of thought. In 3 weeks Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $8.45, especially greatest 9.04, especially least 7.86 in an unpretentious way. Axie boundlessness estimate on Friday, May 12, cost $8.55, certainly most extreme 9.15, truly least 7.95. So Axie vastness conjecture on Wednesday, April 26, cost $7.87, essentially greatest 8.42, lovely least 7.32. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $8.55, truly most extreme 9.15, really least 7.95 in a by and large significant manner. Axie endlessness conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost $8.35, lovely greatest 8.93, essentially least 7.77, or so they for the most part thought. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $8.48, greatest 9.07, extremely least 7.89 in a sort of huge manner. And about a month Axie boundlessness figure on Thursday, May 18, cost $8.61, in every practical sense, most extreme 9.21, really least 8.01, which especially is very critical. Axie Endlessness Cost Forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $8.36. Lovely Greatest 8.95, Extremely Least 7.77. Axie Vastness Figure on Monday, May 22, cost $8.62. Most Extreme 9.22, by and large least 8.02 incredibly. USD to Axie Swapping Scale genuinely equivalent to 0.1179 coins per $1, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Today, S reach 0.1175-0.1206, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The past day, S nearby 0.1186, or so they certainly thought. Change for now 0.0007, 0.59%, which explicitly shows that Axie Vastness cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $8.35, in every practical sense, most extreme 8.93, lovely least 7.77, which truly is genuinely huge. USD to Axie cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which especially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Axie Boundlessness estimate on Friday, April 21, cost 0.132 coins. By and large greatest 0.142, least 0.123 in an unobtrusive way. USD to Axie expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 0.132 coins. Greatest 0.142, by and large least 0.123 in an unpretentious manner. Dollar to Axie Boundlessness conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.130 coins. In every practical sense, greatest 0.140, really least 0.122, as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to Axie forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.127 coins. Sort of greatest 0.137, genuinely least 0.119. So Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $7.58. Essentially most extreme 8.11, sort of least 7.05 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week dollar to Axie limitlessness gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.127 coins. Genuinely most extreme 0.137, sort of least 0.119, which really is very critical. USD to Axie expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 0.124 coins. Genuinely most extreme 0.133, lovely least 0.115 in an exceptionally significant way. Dollar to Axie endlessness estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 0.121 coins. Fundamentally greatest 0.130, least 0.113, which truly is genuinely critical. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.122 coins. Certainly greatest 0.131, especially least 0.114, which shows that USD to Axie conversion standard especially equivalent to 0.1179 coins per $1, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Axie limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.122 coins. Beautiful most extreme 0.131, essentially least 0.114 in a really significant way. Then about 14 days USD to Axie expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.11